It is a rainy, cold morning, but nothing's gonna stop Melissa and I from going to an estate sale this morning. It's only about 10 minutes away and it looks good, so come along and see what we can find. We sell on eBay and we also sell at our local flea market. We do a lot of videos covering us selling at the flea market. That's some of our favorite content to bring you. We're spending a lot of time in our garage and our studio area, you know, getting things ready, curating boxes for the flea market, which is really fun. It's actually become my favorite thing about this job, is curating boxes for the flea market. You know, you never know where your career is gonna go. I love organizing and I love curating for the flea market. So can't wait for that season to start up again so we can bring you that content. All right, let's go see what we can find. Rainy, rainy day. This is for the diehards right here. It is not a nice looking day out. Looks like a somewhat small house. Lots of people. I'm going for a hike. A little rainy day hike. I really didn't wear the right shoes either. You didn't. Watch your stuff. Yeah. Watch that. Look out for dog poop. Okay. Oh, should have brought the flashlight. I'm coming out. Oh, yeah, it's really dark in here. I'm gonna stay down here for a minute.
We expect I'm trying to remember what the hell I said.
Yeah, Mom, she did that whole spiel. Found your boyfriend.
That's awesome. How you doing? Good.
Yeah, there's a bunch
In the garage?
Yeah.
How do we get out there? I back out. Okay. The garage, not the basement.
You have to go out this way?
Yeah, you go out the way we came.
Let me put the light back on. Really don't have the space for all those RC cars, but
Yeah. Are you finding anything?
not really. I'm probably gonna pass this shit back, honestly. I don't know how much she's gonna want for the cars. I can make a lot of money off of them, but
Yeah.
it's gonna require a lot of my time.
Yeah, because
lot of my
there
time.
might be a little bit of like
None of the-
testing and all that stuff.
Oh no,
right?
none of them are gonna work. They're all gonna be for as is parts only.
Right.
But
Man, I should have come out here first. This is the digging part.
okay.
I think tomorrow's 9.
Is there an upstairs? Rubik's Cube?
You know. Nah. I wanna find that one little baby closet of clothing.
Yeah.
Need the hinges stuck.
Buy the whole thing. That's a great display, man.
I don't have the space for it. Unfortunately, you buy it.
What's that?
I said I don't have the space for it, but you buy it.
All right, everybody. I'm gonna have to put my camera
Oh, here you
away.
go.
I can't see. Ooh. Squishy, squishy, messy, messy. All right, we're checking out Melissa found the win for the day. Halloween blow mold. Made it all worth it. Look at that. Nice fire.
Zodiac? Huh? They slow down for you. Zodiac, please? I listed it a little high.
What am I gonna do with it?
Interest. I don't know. Sell it. You got the connections with people with the money, don't you? I don't know.
You know how slow everything is
Yeah.
on those
Yeah.
sales platforms.
Everybody's buying on first. What do you want? Cherish,
And
first
first
dibs.
dibs,
I want all this stuff.
I think
No,
we're ready. Whenever you're
We're ready to
free.
rock and roll, baby. So
Just the stuff on the table.
yeah, sorry, just
You're
not that. That's all right.
Confusing me.
Not those Dunkin' Donuts. Don't charge us for that.
Skulls.
Heads will roll.
Fabric.
Just like scraps. Scrap too.
Don't play it
Some
down.
other nut.
That guy. Lots of skeletons.
That's 50.
50? Sounds good. You have cash?
I do.
Oh no, Scott's stuck.
Oh no.
Oh,
She told him to pull straight forward.
yeah.
Why he would pull in a van of both,
Yeah.
and it's probably empty.